An old prophet with a heart full of hope, a silent prayer whispered in the darkness of the night. This is the story of Zakariya alayhi salam, the prophet of dua and miracles. Hazrat Zakariya alayhi salam was a noble prophet sent to guide Bani Israel. He was known for his devotion, sincerity, and constant worship of Allah. His story is preserved in the Quran as a lesson of hope and dua. Zakaria alayhi salam spent his life in prayer, serving in the house of Allah. He was also the caretaker of Maryam alayhi salam. He witnessed miracles, provisions coming to her from Allah. As old age approached, his strength began to fade. He had no heir, no child to continue the mission. In the silence, he raised his hands and made a sincere dua. My Lord, grant me from yourself a good offspring.